Welcome to Tech in a Minute. Today, we're diving deep into something that powers your daily digital life, the 4G core network, and why modernizing it is a game changer for everyone. You might think, isn't 5G the big thing now? Well, yes, but 4G isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's getting a major upgrade, and the benefits are huge, not just for telecom operators, but for you and me. So, what exactly is the 4G core network? Think of it as the brain of the mobile network. It's the central hub that manages everything, connecting your phone to the internet, handling your calls, and ensuring your data gets where it needs to go securely and quickly. When you stream a video, send a message, or browse social media, the 4G core is working tirelessly behind the scenes. For years, this core network was built on specialized, physical hardware. Imagine massive rooms filled with dedicated boxes, each performing a specific function. This traditional setup worked, but it was rigid, expensive to maintain, and slow to upgrade. If an operator wanted to add a new service or increase capacity, it often meant buying and installing more costly hardware. It was like building a house with bricks, strong, but not very flexible if you suddenly need an extra room. This is where modernization comes in. The big shift is towards a cloud-native, virtualized architecture. Instead of clunky physical boxes, network functions are transformed into software that can run on standard, off-the-shelf servers, much like the ones that power data centers for Google or Amazon. This approach is often called Network Functions Virtualization, or NFV. It separates the software from the hardware, giving operators incredible flexibility. Let's talk about the first major benefit: a massive boost in network capacity and performance. Think about how much more data we use today compared to a few years ago. We're streaming 4K videos, live streaming events, and using countless data-hungry apps. A modernized 4G core can handle this explosion in traffic much more efficiently. Because it's software-based, operators can scale capacity up or down almost instantly. Is there a big concert or sporting event happening? They can allocate more resources to that area to prevent network congestion. When the event is over, they can scale it back down. This dynamic scaling means a more reliable and faster connection for you, especially during peak times. No more frustrating buffering wheels when you're trying to watch the final episode of your favorite show. The second key benefit is improved coverage and reliability. A modernized core network is more resilient. In the old hardware-based system, if a piece of equipment failed, it could cause a significant outage in a specific area. With a virtualized network, if one server goes down, the software functions can be automatically moved to another working server in milliseconds. This is called self-healing. For you, this means fewer dropped calls and a more stable internet connection. Even if there are technical issues behind the scenes, the network essentially fixes itself before you even notice there's a problem. This enhanced reliability is crucial not just for our convenience, but for critical services that rely on a constant connection. Now, let's get specific and talk about something we all love: YouTube. How does 4G core modernization make your YouTube experience better? It's all about getting content closer to you. This concept is called multi-access edge computing, or MEC. With a modernized, distributed core, telecom operators can place caches of popular content, like the most watched YouTube videos in your area, at the edge of their network, physically closer to you. So, when you click on a trending video, instead of your request traveling all the way to a distant YouTube server and back, it can be served from a local cache right in your city or neighborhood. This dramatically reduces latency, the delay between you clicking play and the video starting. The result: videos start almost instantly, you can scrub through them without delay, and you can stream at the highest possible quality without buffering. It's like having a mini YouTube server just for your community, all made possible by modernizing the 4G core. This isn't just for YouTube, but for any content delivery network, making streaming services, gaming, and video conferencing smoother than ever. So far, we've focused on the benefits for us, the users. But what's in it for the telecom operators? Why are they investing so much in this transition? The answer lies in operational efficiency and cost savings. Remember those rooms full of expensive, specialized hardware? A virtualized network runs on cheaper, standard servers. This significantly reduces capital expenditure. Furthermore, Managing software is much easier and more automated than managing physical boxes. Updates, patches, and new service rollouts can be done remotely and often automatically, reducing the need for manual intervention and truck rolls. This slashes operational costs. Automation is the key here. Modern networks use advanced orchestration and management systems that can automate routine tasks, monitor network health, and even predict potential issues before they happen using AI and machine learning. This frees up engineers to focus on innovation and improving the network, rather than just keeping the lights on. These savings are substantial, and they allow operators to invest in expanding their networks and developing new services, like those needed for the Internet of Things and, of course, the continued rollout of 5G. Speaking of 5G, 4G core modernization is a critical stepping stone. The architecture of a modern 4G core is very similar to a 5G core. They are both cloud-native and service-based. By upgrading their 4G core now, operators are essentially building the foundation for a seamless transition to 5G. It allows them to offer some 5G-like services, such as lower latency and higher capacity, even on the 4G network. This creates a smoother migration path and ensures that both 4G and 5G networks can coexist and work together efficiently for many years to come. Your phone might switch between 4G and 5G without you even noticing, because the underlying core network is unified. So, to wrap it all up, modernizing the 4G core network is a fundamental shift in how our mobile networks are built and operated. It moves us from a rigid, hardware-centric world to a flexible, software-defined future. For us, this means more capacity, better coverage, and a superior experience for everything we do online, from watching YouTube to making video calls. For operators, it means massive cost savings, greater operational efficiency, and a clear path to the 5G future. It is one of those invisible technological leaps that has a visible impact on our daily digital lives, making our connections faster, more reliable, and ready for whatever comes next. Thanks for watching this episode of Tech in a Minute. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology that shapes our world. See you next time.